Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a print-on-demand store with Redbubble, full guide step-by-step clearly. To create a print-on-demand store with Redbubble, start by visiting the Redbubble website. Click on the Sell Your Art button at the top right corner of the homepage. If you do not have an account, select Sign Up to create one. Fill in the necessary details, including your email address and a password. After signing up, check your email for a verification link. Click the link in the email to confirm your account. Once verified, log in to your new Redbubble account. Navigate to your dashboard, where you will find options to start uploading your artwork. To begin, click on the Add New Work button. Upload your design file by selecting it from your computer. Make sure your artwork meets Redbubble's recommended file specifications. Once your design is uploaded, choose the products you want to sell it on. Redbubble offers a variety of items, such as t-shirts, stickers, and home decor. Adjust your design placement on each product to ensure it looks perfect. Add a title to your artwork that describes it accurately. Write a compelling description to attract potential customers. Use relevant tags to help your work appear in search results. Set your pricing preferences. You can choose a profit margin for each product. After customizing all options, click the Save Work button. Your design will now be available for purchase on Redbubble's marketplace. Promote your new store through social media or your personal network. Regularly update your store with new designs to keep it fresh and engaging. Monitor your sales and customer feedback through your dashboard. Use insights gained to refine your product offerings and marketing strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.